Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is a quick little video on making one more last project with the scraps left from my design team project, using the Simple Stories Holiday Hello card kit. These are some scraps and some My Color scraps, so I'm going to make a gift tag, so stay tuned. So what I've done is I've taken a scrap of the white cardstock and I've cut it down to about I'm just trying to even it up here, a 2-inch by 4-inch piece, and I've added scraps of score tape here to the front. This is similar to like I did making the quilt cards. So I'm just going to peel all the tape backing off. Go ahead and get all done, and then I'm just going to start laying pieces of these scraps, these smaller scraps, that's all I have left, onto this base. That one don't peel up. Let me turn this around. Okay. Working with the smaller pieces of score tape, it's really sticky, so it's sticking to my fingers here. Okay, let's get this one up, and then the last one. So I just used some scraps of my score tape sheets as well to cover one side of this white cardstock. So I'm going to take, and I need to grab a craft mat. I have moved that out of the way, so I'm going to put this down here. I'm going to start down here at the bottom, line it up, and let it extend over. And I'm going to put one like at an angle here, maybe, and this green one. I have no plan, actually. Put this snowflake in here if I can. Little bits. And I'm just going to make a gift tag. That one, I kind of goofed that one up because I did that at a funny angle, but I'm going to go ahead and put some glue on this to kind of attach it down. So just have to keep that in mind if you're doing a funny angle there. Look at those points. I'm going to overlap some. I'm going to straighten it up like that. And I need one more, some red maybe. Lift this back up. I need to cut this corner of this red off because it's going to show. And then I put some more green on, glue on this green piece and bring it over. Okay. Now then, let me take a small craft mat so I can use my knife. Or if you don't want to, you can just turn it over and use your scissors. Let's do that. So I'm just going to follow the line of the white cardstock, and I just trim all this off. So you can actually use your scissors too and cut away all that's extending on your tag piece here. It looks just like that. And we still have scraps. I could do a couple of more if I wanted to, but I'm only going to do one for the camera. Now then, I'm going to take my corner rounder, and whichever piece I want to be the bottom, I'm going to round it. I'm going to use a 1/4 inch right here, like that. And then I'm going to take my angle punch and I'm going to angle the top 2 corners, or you can just cut it with scissors, or you may have some other punch or tag that you want to use. And then let's punch a hole. But first, let's grab my circle and let's do a green punch here. Like a circle. This is the 3/4 inch circle, and I'm going to glue that right there in the center, the top. Right there. And then we'll punch a hole. I'm going to put a bigger hole in the center of that circle, just like that. And then we can add our string or ribbon or whatever we want to add in that. So let's grab some of the string that I still have, a piece of that, and I'm going to thread that through. Now, if you have a stamp that you can stamp on the back, you know, to and from, you could do that to make it a gift tag, or you can just hand write that out. And I'm going to tie it up here in a knot. Kind of make it a little bit longer so I can put it on a package like that. So now we're going to do some decorating a little bit, and I'm going to look in my stash here, and I have these snowflake stickers that I think are really pretty. And I will have to use glue on that. So the blue that's in that little stripe, it's going to pull that blue. So just look in your stash for some stickers that you might have, or punch outs. And I'm just going to put that right there in the center, just like that. Nothing fancy. I still have a heart here. I don't know if I want to use that or not. Let's see. Put a heart right in the center of that snowflake. Oops, I got a little tag there I need to sand off. Hang on just a second. Okay, so that's a little bit different, but that is a quick and easy Christmas tag you can make using tiny bits of scraps of paper that you may have left over from a project. So thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.